Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday. It's the only day that it's gonna be nice this week. So I decided I'm gonna do a photo shoot. I don't know where, I have no idea. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a photo shoot today with my friend and we'll see how it goes. I don't know, I'll show you behind the scenes and everything. My hair literally faded. It's barely pink anymore from my last video, so that's great. So yeah, if you want to see me do a little photo shoot, then keep on watching and subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you enjoy it. Okay, let's go do a photo shoot. Before I go, I'm wearing this shirt from Brandy Melville. It's like a cropped long sleeve shirt. I love it. It's so cute. And these jeans, okay, I'm really bad at angles, hold on. These jeans are from Fashion Nova. I literally love these. They're probably my favorite jeans I've ever had. So yeah, these are my jeans, and still I'm trying to figure out what shoes to wear. I don't know. Oh, and I'm literally watching Shane's video, and I kind of like Jake Paul. Like, I don't know. I don't think I'll ever watch his videos, but like, he's kind of making me feel for him, and he doesn't seem that bad. I don't know. Like, I know there's a bunch of like things that he's done, which obviously is not good, but I don't know. I decided to wear my dirty ass Adidas shoes, and okay, now it's time to go.
Ready to take pictures?
Yeah.
Gonna come? Where are you guys going? We have no idea.
I think we're gonna like go that way and come our way back. I don't know.
And she was asking me questions and I legit did not know what to answer. I was like, I have to put on makeup.
I barely have it. I only have concealer on and bronzer.
Oh.
I know. I didn't do anything.
This is Diana.
It's it's sore, but it's not like the worst thing. I hope it doesn't get infected.
Quick story time about my nose. After the shower, I was wiping my face with my towel and my nose ring came out, and it's still the twisty one, and I didn't know how to put it back in, so it took me like 10 minutes and it started bleeding, and it was really tragic, and I cried. So yeah, that's what we were talking about.
I don't like how awkward this is gonna be. Oh, I don't know. What do you want to do?
Well, I don't know. You.
Well, this side is shadow. See, people are looking.
Whatever. So you could sit there and like your net would be in the background.
Yeah. Here, well, I'm gonna set this up. Okay. It is so sunny. Like, it's like the only day that it's ever gonna be sunny up here.
I'm complaining.
Yeah, right? Okay. Bench time. This is location 3. Some beautiful steps.
Okay, you first.
Okay, which side?
That one.
Okay.
I don't know if you want the railing next to you or not.
Nah.
Yes, that glow. I have to pause.
This is cute.
If you get like a nice lighting.
Okay. Alright.
School business.
I'm actually confused what this is.
On her campus.
I'm so... Is that a house? Like, I don't know where we are. I don't want them to like see us. Okay, no, we can't get down there.
So I want to like see.
Oh wow. Oh my god. Imagine falling down there. We're here. We have one more location. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. Okay. My camera's literally already died, but I got it to turn back on. So we finished, and yeah, okay. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and I edited my pictures yesterday, and my camera died. I think you saw that. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!